It's us.
It's okay to cut off toxic family members out of your life. Blood is not thicker than mental health. Did you hear me? Some people in your life are damaging your mental health. It's that bad. And you let it happen because they're family. Blood is not thicker than your mental health.
One of the biggest lies that we are told, blood makes you family. Nah, don't fall for that shit. Blood makes you related. Trust, love, loyalty, that's family.
When you put a stop to people taking advantage of you and disrespecting you, that's when they often define you as difficult, selfish, or even crazy, because manipulators dislike boundaries.
You know what's fucked up? Is when a person knows exactly what you've been through and promises to be different, and ends up doing the exact same shit. It is what it is, I guess.
Fuck your excuses, I don't need the drama. You try to play me and make me the problem. Do what I say and I say what I mean. Spare me your feelings, I don't feel a thing. Could've been sweet, but you made me a savage. Never took trips, but you brought all your baggage. I don't got time to care about what you think. Put myself first, now I don't need a thing.